Where are we going? Adventure! Our next adventure.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Josh here from Adventure Bound. Just wanted to shoot this quick video and show you what's going on with our van. We're in Anglesea right now. This amazing caravan right behind us here, the Forerunner family van. I just want to show you how much water we've had. It's been raining since 4:30 a.m. this morning. It's only just got a quick break and it's still raining now, but I've come outside to shoot this video. Right, we've had probably over 40 mils of rain here. Not one leak in that van. Absolutely amazing. We're traveling Australia in this caravan at the moment. We've been in it now for 3 months. It has not missed a beat. I just want to show you some of the water that's around this park. Check out how much rain we've had. This thing's still going strong. Follow our journey on Facebook. It's Elise and Josh Tait. You'll find us. Adventure Bound is our brand name. We're now traveling Australia in a design RV. So if you're ever interested in following our journey and checking out this amazing van and seeing our story along the way, feel free to follow us on there. But just wanted to shoot this quick video and tell you how awesomely constructed these vans are with no water leaks, no dramas. Massive shout out to Steve and the guys at Southern Design RV down in Ballarat.
Wednesday and we are off to Aireys Inlet. So we are leaving Anglesea in Victoria and just heading just up the road to Aireys Inlet. So still in Victoria. We're gonna meet Josh's parents there and have the weekend with them, which will be nice. So that'll be our final goodbye with Josh's parents, and then we will just keep going. And we're thinking of heading to Apollo Bay after that. So yeah, it'll be super fun. This is what I'm dealing with. I have a 8-month-old who wants to crawl. Don't you? Won't be long and Miss Chloe will be getting into everything. God help me. Cheers to life on the road.
Oh, yeah. Just ate tea at 4:30.
Delusional today.
3 days of rain.
Oh my god.
Chloe's in her bunk down there.
Trying to escape every
Trying
5
to
minutes.
escape. Riley, how you going?
Good.
We're a bit over this weather. I've got that on here. We're a bit over this weather. It's 3 days of rain and stuck in a shipping container, you might say. At least why aren't we best friends anymore?
I can't do today anymore.
Where were you going to put me? Gumtree.
Go on, Gumtree.
I'm for sale. Always do a safety lap. Always do a safety lap of your van. Check you're hooked up right. Check nothing's touching the ground and all you're doing on the way out.
today. I've finished about 20 loads of washing. That's what it felt like anyway.
Yeah.
Oh, so much washing. So yeah, now we're going to get coffees and heading to lawn.
Why don't you tell them what you're wearing?
I am wearing one of Josh's jumpers because I ran out of clothes, but it's quite comfortable. For everyone. What are you looking for, Riley?
Yeah, you gotta keep your eyes peeled. You might even see a koala. Why do koalas sleep in the trees? That's their house and it's where they're protected. And what do koalas eat?
Trees.
Yeah, the leaves.
Buddy. Zigzags. Oh. Riley would have been at 4-year-old kinder this year, wouldn't you? But what are we doing instead?
What?
Adventure.
Boys.
Do you want to go see?
No. I really.
Go ahead then.
Where?
Keep going.
Where? Some same stuff.
Quick. Whose car's that?
And
What does that mean?
it means mum's stuff.
Riley! Oh my god. What is that? Happy birthday.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Whoa.
What's up guys, just checking in. Today's a bit of a special day for us and the kids. My parents have come to stay with us here in, where are we? Aries Inlet. I always get that confused. We're off to Lawn to spend the day with them. So really looking forward to that. Riley's excited. Riley's even jumped in their car. He's that excited. So they're behind us at the moment. But
He even got a birthday present.
yeah, he got his early birthday present off mum and dad. So they're all emotional. But anyway, it'll be a good weekend to spend with them. And yeah, we're just heading down to Lawn now. So stay tuned to find out the rest of the day's activities.
I just had one of those pinch me moments, and I just am so grateful of the life that we have created and how we're just able to spend our days however we want, with whoever we want. Like, look at today, look at this place. It's absolutely stunning. Like, Australia is such a beautiful country, and if you have not had the chance to go and explore it, you need to. Like, we have one life, we have one chance, so go out, chase your dreams, smash your goals, and live your life from true happiness, because I can tell you today I am truly happy to be here. Like, this is absolutely incredible. The beach is my happy place, and it's amazing. It's so, there are no words. to drive. Seriously.
It's nice and tight too. Big cliffs on there.
The water's like it's you can't tell, but it's a really big drop, and it's making me feel a little bit sick. We have arrived at Apollo Bay. It's absolutely stunning. Big four Apollo Bay. What? What is happening here?
I just tried them on, make sure they still fit.
Oh shit.
Donald Duck.
Gonna go diving, dude.
I am. I am indeed.
How long's it been since you went diving?
I can tell you, to be honest. A while, a long time before the kids. Riley's 3, so long time.
Shall be interesting. Stay tuned. So traveling with a baby it hasn't been too bad actually. I thought it would be a little bit of a challenge, but she's been pretty good, I must say. We got a special mesh bed rail made up for her bunk so she can't get out. So that's really cool. That was made by Qualtrim in Ballarat, so highly recommend them. Otherwise, Chloe is starting to crawl now as well, which can be it's going to be fun when she's crawling, but it's just one of those things. We didn't want to hold ourselves back just because, you know, we have a baby and a toddler. We wanted to see Australia regardless of what age they were. We didn't want to be doing this when we were a little bit older and not able to do as much. But it's been fun. It's been really fun traveling and seeing Australia with the kids. So if anyone is wondering what it's like, please reach out to us. We would love to give you any tips and tricks. Yeah, and help you out with any questions you might have on what's the best way to go, what kind of caravan to get, all that kind of stuff. We would love to help you out. We're just down at the beach in Apollo Bay. It's just opposite the caravan park. Riley brought his boogie board down, but it's a bit too choppy. So he's just standing watching really, but having lots of fun. Another pinch me moment again. I'm having them nearly every single day of the life that we've created. Like, this is seriously, we're having so much fun, and we've only been on the road for like not even 2 weeks. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the next year, 2 years has in store for us, because if this is the life that we're going to live, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm backing into that side.
Yeah, it was a little bit challenging. It's tight.
Yeah, you've never had a challenge like that before.
One of the things I will say to everybody out there who is travelling, make sure you talk to the people when you book about the size of your van. Because, you know, we've got a fairly large van, 22 foot.
It's 20, well, we're in a 28 foot
Well, no,
side.
that's, well, okay, 26 foot including the drawbar, if you want to get serious. So like pretty large site. So chat to the staff wherever you're booking and just let them know the size of your van if you do have a bigger one, because it's important you get the right size site, because a lot of them you would struggle to get into. So that's a good tip and trick.
Thank you so much for tuning in on our latest episode. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button to never miss an episode. We love sharing our travels and our journeys and our adventures around Australia. We're also going to be giving away lots of travel tips, tricks, business information, how we're surviving with 2 kids traveling around Australia, and how we are funding our lap of Australia as well. Make sure you also follow us on Facebook and Instagram to never miss out on anything that we share.